Morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are well. So after the completion of two chapters, now today we are going to start with our new chapter. The name of our chapter is chapter number 3, Factors and Multiples. But before going into the content of chapter 3, first of all you have to revise the tables till 20. So that you will be able to determine the factors and multiples easily. So let's have a look on the table.
So students, let's start with the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Table of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Table of 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Table of 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Table of 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Table of 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Table of 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Table of 11, that is much easier. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 six are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110. Next, table of 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Table of 13, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 six are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117, 13 tens are 130. Table of 14, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 six are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Table of 15, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 six are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. Next, table of 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes are 96, 16 sevens are 112, 16 eights are 128, 16 nines are 144, 16 tens are 160. Table of 17. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68, 17 fives are 85, 17 sixes are 102, 17 sevens are 119, 17 eights are 136, 17 nines are 153, 17 tens are 170. Table of 18. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 sixes are 108, 18 sevens are 126, 18 eights are 144, 18 nines are 162, 18 tens are 180. Table of 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 19 sixes are 114, 19 sevens are 133, 19 eights are 152, 19 nines are 171, 19 tens are 190. And the last table is of 20, that is 20 ones are 20, 20 twos are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, 25s are 100, 26 are 120, 27 are 140, 28s are 160, 29s are 180 and 20 tens are 200. Thus concludes our tables from 2 to 20. Now you have to learn the tables till 20 thoroughly. Now let's start with our today's topic. The name of our topic is factors. As the name suggests factor, the first question that arises in mind is that what are factors? The factors can be defined in two terms, in terms of multiplication and in terms of division. Let's look into them one by one. In terms of multiplication, we define the factor as the whole numbers you multiply together. For example, 2 into 5 is equals to 10. So 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. In other words, we can define the factors are the numbers that is multiplied by another to give a product. Means when the two numbers are multiplied together and product is formed, the number that are multiplied are known as factors. For example, 7 into 8 is equals to 56. So 7 and 8 are the factors of 56. Similarly, if you look here for some more examples, you found that in the first example I have written here 6 into 7 is equals to 42. So 6 and 7 are the factors of 42. Similarly, 7 into 9 is equals to 63. So 7 and 9 are the factors of 63. 8 into 6 is equals to 48. 8 and 6 are the factors of 48. 4 into 9 is equals to 36. So 4 and 9 are the factors of 36. It means that the table you write combines of factors, means two factors multiply and give a product. However, one thing you need to note that a number may contain more than two factors also. For example, here I have taken the number 24 and I have to determine the factors of 24. So the factors of 24 can be 1 into 24. So 1 and 24 are the factors of 24. 24 also comes in the table of 2 in form of 2 into 12. So 2 and 12 are the factors of 24. Similarly, 24 can also come into the table of 3. So 3 into 8 is equals to 24. So 3 and 8 are the factors of 24. Similarly, 24 can also come into the table of 4, that is in form of 4 into 6, that is equals to 24. So 4 and 6 are the factors of 24. So now you realize that the factors of 24 are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, 6. It means that a number can have a minimum of two factors, at least 1 and the number itself. However, it may contain more than 2 factors also depending upon the number. So this was according to the definition of multiplication. Now let's move on to the definition of division in terms of factor. So if we talk about the factors in terms of division, we can define the factor as a number that divides evenly into another number without leaving a remainder. It means that when you divide 56 with 8, you get the answer as 7. So here remainder is 0. So the divisor and quittance are the factors of the dividend 56. Let us take some more examples here. Here 42 divided by 7 is equals to 6. So 6 and 7 are the factors of 42. 63 divided 9 is equals to 7. So 7 and 9 are the factors of 63. 48 divided 6 is equals to 8. So 6 and 8 are the factors of 48. 36 divided 9 is equals to 4. So 4 and 9 are the factors of 36. So what we have understood now? We have understood that a factor divides a number completely without leaving any remainder. For example, if you have to determine the factor of 10, how will you determine? You just first divide it by 1. You will get the factor as 1 and 10. Again, 10 comes into the table of 2 in form of 5. So when you divide 10 with 2, you will get the factor as 2 and 5. Similarly, when you divide 10 with 5, you get the factor as 5 and 2. And when you divide 10 by itself, you get the factor as 10 and 1. So, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Let us take another example. Here I am determining whether 24 is a factor of 4 or 5. So I have used the division method here. I have divided 24 with 4 and find out that the remainder is 0. It means that 4 is a factor of 24. Similarly, if we divide 5 with 24, we found that the remainder comes out to be 4. It means that 5 is not a factor of 24. So now if we combine both the methods of factors in terms of multiplication and division, we found the definition as, in terms of multiplication, factors are the numbers you can multiply to get the given number, and in terms of division we can say that factor is a number which exactly divides the given number. The meaning of both are same, but the terms of defining is different. Let us see the factors of 12 in terms of multiplication. We can write it as 1 into 12, 2 into 6 is equals to 12, 3 into 4 is equals to 12. And in terms of division, we can write it as 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So we can say that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So here I have written the factors of 12 as 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4, whether it is in terms of division or in terms of multiplication. Similarly, you can write the factors of other numbers also. For example, I have taken the example of 18 here and have written its factors as 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. Let us take another example. Here I have taken an example of 17. The factors of 17 are 1 and 17 only. So these are the factors which you need to know. All the tables from 2 to 20 that we have done today are some examples of factors also. So you need to learn them thoroughly. Tomorrow we are going to learn the methods of finding factors.
So, after knowing the concept of factors, I think you are able to determine the factors. But before, what you have to do today, you have to learn the tables till 20 thoroughly. Tomorrow, we are going to do something new. Till then, take care. Bye. See you tomorrow.